Good morning. It is a beautiful, beautiful day here at base camp. I actually have no idea where we are in terms of the jungle, but they've got a whole bunch of these little huts kind of set up. They're usually quite filled, but at the moment there's just me and 3 other people here, which is really lovely, and it's so quiet and so peaceful. You can't hear anything except animals in the jungle and then the running water next to me right now. And last night it started raining a little bit while I was going to bed. It was really nice. It's just so peaceful here. And then over there, there's like this fog just coming in and the sunlight's starting to shine through the trees. It's so nice. It's so peaceful. So we just spoke to the guide before and he said that today we're going to go to some waterfalls in a bit. They're making breakfast now and we're going to eat our breakfast and then we're going to head to some waterfalls, have a play there, come back, chill out a bit more, have some lunch, and then we're going to tube all the way back to Bukit Lawang, which is very exciting. So there's not too much walking today, mainly just relaxing and enjoying nature. Yes. Oh, thank you.
That's for you.
Wow! Amazing.
Okay. Bye.
Wow! I can't believe they made all of this for breakfast. How nice. We get to enjoy it with this surroundings. Oh yeah. We're about to go trek and see some waterfalls at the moment. They said to leave our bags here, don't bring anything except our towel and a waterproof camera, so excuse the awful quality footage while I use my GoPro. So we just got back and there's an orangutan on our roof. There he is. Good morning to you, sir. Okay, so we've packed up all of our stuff and we're about to catch the tube. It's like it's a car. We're about to take the tube all the way back to Bukit Lawang town. Should be fun. Guys, I can't handle how close he is. He's just chilling out. Just posing for a selfie. Nice to meet you. Oh, it is fancy.
Good?
Yeah, very nice. I drink that. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. I will. See you later. Okay, so quick update. The accommodation that I booked is apparently back in Bukalawan, which is not anywhere near where I'm supposed to be today. So the plan is, one of the girls who was staying here, they brought her out because she speaks English, and she told me that I can stay here at their place. It's just an inn for locals, so it's not like a hotel or anything like that. I'm not sure what to expect, but they've got like a restaurant and they'll let me stay here for a cheap price, I'm assuming. And then tomorrow I'll just continue as usual, going into the elephant trekking. So, not elephant trekking, elephant washing. So yeah, things don't always go as planned, but that's right, I didn't like lose any money or anything, it's fine. But yeah, that's life sometimes. Silly Hannah. Okay, this is really weird from vlogging inside of a toilet. So basically, I've been talking to the daughter who lives here, and she's got really great English. She's so sweet, so generous, and they're letting me stay here tonight, and I got some dinner, and I'm gonna have breakfast in the morning as well, and she's gonna take me around to some hot springs and waterfall tomorrow morning. Just out of the kindness of her own heart, because she's so sweet. And they're letting me stay here just for 125,000 rupiah, which is like $12.50 Singapore, which is nothing. And yeah, they're so sweet. So I'm just gonna have a quick shower with water that's fallen from the rain, I guess. And then I'm just gonna go to bed. So this day didn't end the way that I thought it would end, but it's actually turning out to be a really wonderful experience. Anyway, if you liked the video that I made today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and hopefully tomorrow goes more to plan. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!